What's your name?
Max.
What do you like to do?
Skate.
Why?
Because I'm good at it.
Why?
Because I'm good at it.
What are we going to do today?
Skate.
Okay, let's go. You just got butt raped by the fun box.
Fuck my ass.
Show everyone the pad of socks, Travis. That's funny. Get on this. I duct
When did
tape.
you get a camera?
A long time ago.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, Sal Yale in the building. Sal Yale in the building. It's your boy Black Jesus.
Black Jesus.